Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to blend my crayfish. So this is my crayfish. Watch how we clean this crayfish. It's on my YouTube channel. This is nice, no sand, no dust. It's clean. So I'm going to blend it now. Here is my blender. So it's okay like this for me. So with this one we'll be using this to prepare our soup in case we don't want to use blended crayfish. So here is the one we blend. You can use this to prepare so many food like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment, and see you where we'll be using this to prepare our delicious soup. Bye bye.